Minsan lang bibili ng sapatos kaya ito doon na ang pagiging choosy. Chunky, colorful, may pangmalakasang style at pinaka-importante, comfortable sa paa. Yan daw ang inspirasyon ni Paul sa pagdidisenyo ng rubber shoes.
When we started first, the goal was to be the style for the styleless.
Ang sapatos na gawa ni Paul may pagmamalaki raw, talagang original Filipino brand. Ang kanyang pambato ang Makabayan Shoe Collection.
If you're looking for a shoe that best represents your Filipino heritage or you're really proud of being Filipino, yun yung Makabayan, which is ito. So, yan naman, talagang it's loud and it's proud and it just tells everyone, I am a Filipino.
Pagdidiin pa ni Paul, kahit local brand daw ang mga gawa niyang sapatos, hindi raw ito papatalo pagdating sa tibay at kalidad. Pang sportsman o pang